Yes, hi friends. In previous session, we are already discussing about binary trees. So in this session, we are mainly concentrating on one more tree, that is binary search tree. And what are the operations are performed on binary search tree, as well as the definition of binary search tree and how to construct a binary search tree, right? So these are the various concepts that are comes under a binary search tree, right? So here first of all we are discussing what is the definition for binary search tree. What is the definition for binary search tree, right? So here before going to this definition, first of all, what is binary tree? So binary tree is a tree. Each and every node should have at most two children. What is the meaning of at most two children? Either 0 children or 1 children or 2 children. So that is the rule for constructing binary trees, right? So here coming to binary search tree, it is a type of binary. It is one type of binary tree. One type of binary tree. What is the meaning of binary tree? Which contains, so all the nodes contains at most two children. At most two children, which means 0 children or 1 children or 2 children. So this is the property for binary tree, right? So binary search tree is one type of binary tree which contains at most 2 children. In addition to that, all the elements of left subtree, contains less values when compared to root node. And all the elements of right subtree contains greater values when compared to root node. In addition to that, these two properties are also satisfied by the binary search tree. Then only we can say that tree is a binary search tree, right? So binary search tree is one type of binary tree which contains at most 2 children, either 0 children or 1 children or 2 children. In addition to that, all the elements of left subtree contains less values when compared to root node. So left subtree contains only less values when compared to root node, as well as all the elements of the right subtree contains greater values when compared to root node, right? So these are the properties supported by the binary search tree, right? So then here I am writing one example for binary search tree. For example, 6 2 7 1 0 5 8. Right? So this is a binary tree. Why? Because each and every node contains at most 2 children, either 0 children or 1 children or 2 children. So that's why this tree is said to be binary tree. and in addition to that, it also satisfies the properties of binary search tree, right? So all the elements of the left subtree, contains less values when compared to root node. All the elements of right subtree contains greater values when compared to root node, right? So this property is satisfied by this tree. That's why we can say that this is a binary search tree. Right? So here, so 2 is less value when compared to root node, right? So then 1, so 1 is less value when compared to this root node as well as this root, right? So for this tree, this is the root. So when compared to this root, this value is also low, as well as we are also comparing main root, right? So when compared to this one, 1 is also a less value, so that's why we can place leftmost side, right? So when for suppose 5, so 5 is a right child of left subtree, right? So right for this subtree, what is the root 2? So when compared to 2, 5 is greater element, right? 5 is greater element, so that's why we can insert at rightmost position of the left subtree, but it is less value when compared to main root, so that's why we can place left subtree, right? So first of all, we can compare main subtree root node as well as main root node. So those two root nodes, it contains less value that can be placed at leftmost position. When compared to subtree root node, it is a greater value, as well as main root to less value, we can place left subtree right position, right? So this is the example for binary search tree. So this is binary search tree. It satisfies the properties of binary tree as well as binary search tree properties, right? So that's why then only we can say that this tree is a binary search tree, right? So here I am taking one more example. 6, 2, 7, 10, 9, 1, 5. This is binary tree. Why? Because it contains all the properties that are satisfied by the binary search tree. So that's why this tree is said to be binary tree, right? But it is not a binary tree. Why? Because though this is root, this is left subtree, this is right subtree, right? So here all the elements of left subtree must be contains less values when compared to root node. All the values of right subtree contains greater values when compared to root node, right? So here all the elements are greater values. 7, 10 is greater than, so that's why this right subtree contains all the properties of binary search tree, right? But when compared to right subtree, here I am considering left subtree. So in left subtree, what is the root node? 2. So 2 contains 1, 9. So here 1 is less than left subtree root node. So that's why this node is satisfied by the binary search tree property, right? So 9. So 9 is greater than root. So that's why we can place at rightmost position of left subtree, right? But when compared to root, it is greater value, which is presented at left side. So that's why this is not a binary search tree. As well as here for this subtree, 1 is the root node, 5 is the greater value when compared to root node. So that's why we can place rightmost position for this subtree. When compared to root, this is less value. This is less value. So this property is satisfied by the this subtree satisfied by the binary search tree property, but this subtree does not satisfy the binary search tree property. That's why we can say that this is not a binary search tree, but this is a binary tree. This is a binary This is a binary tree, right? So these are the examples that are related to binary search trees, right? So then we are discussing about how to construct a binary search trees for a given elements, right? So for suppose here I am taking some elements 14, 5, 6, 2, 18, 20, 16, 3, -1, 21. So these are the various elements. So here I am constructing binary search tree for the following elements, right? How to construct? So construct a BST for the following elements, for the following nodes or elements, right? So here first of all, so here tree is empty, so first node can be considered as a root node, right? So in step 1 we are inserting first element, that is 14. So this can be considered as root. This can be considered as root, right? So here step 2, what is the next inserted element into the binary search tree? Element 5 or node 5. So 14, so 5. So here we are applying comparison procedure in between root to inserted element, right? So 5. So 5 is less than when compared to root node. So less value elements is always placed at left subtree. So that's why here I am placing at left subtree. Then what is the next inserted element? 6. So 6 is also less value when compared to root node, right? So what is the left subtree root? 5. So when compared to 5, this is greater value. So that's why we can place 6 at rightmost position of the left subtree, right? So here first of all we are applying comparison procedure in between 14 to 6. So this is less value, so that's why we can insert at left subtree. Again we can compare left subtree root to inserted element, right? So here left subtree root is 5. So when compared to 5, inserted element is greater than. So that's why we can insert 6 at left subtree of right position, right? So when compared to root, this is less value, right? So here what is the next inserted element? 2. So first of all we are applying comparison procedure from root to inserted element, right? So 2 is less than when compared to root node. So that's why we can insert that element at left subtree, right? Again we are comparing inserted element to left subtree root. So when compared to left subtree root, it is less value. So that's why we can insert at left subtree leftmost chain, right? So here tree becomes 14, 5, 6, 2. Right? So here all the properties are satisfied by binary search tree properties are satisfied by this tree. So this is root, right now. So what is the next inserted element? Step 5. What is the next inserted element? Insert. So 6 is completed, 14 is completed, 5 is completed, 2 is also completed. Then what is the next inserted element? 18. So 18, first of all we are applying comparison procedure in between root to inserted node. So 18 is greater value. So that's why we can insert at right position of the root, right? So this is the root node for right subtree. So tree becomes 14, 5, 2, 6, 18. So 18 is greater than root. So that's why we can insert at right subtree. So for right subtree, what is the root? 18. Right? So next, what is the next inserted node? Next inserted node is 20. So here 20. First of all, we are apply comparison procedure in between root node to inserted element. So 20 is greater than 14. So that's why we can insert that element at right subtree. So at right subtree already element is there. So that can be considered as root node. So when compared to right subtree root node, inserted element is greater value. So that's why we can insert 20 at rightmost position of right subtree. Right? Now tree becomes 14, 5, 18, 2, 6. So here this is 20. So first of all we are comparing 14 to 20. So that's why that is greater value. So that's why we can insert at right subtree only. So if any root presented at right subtree, again we are applying comparison procedure in between right subtree root to inserted node. So if the inserted element is greater value, then we can insert rightmost position of the right subtree. Otherwise we can insert leftmost position of the right subtree. Right? So what is the next inserted element? Step 7. So here 16. So first of all we are applying comparison procedure in between 16 to main root. So when compared to 14 it is greater. So obviously it can be placed at right subtree. So here what is the root for right subtree? 18. So when compared to 18, 16 is less value. So that's why we can place leftmost position of the right subtree. So when compared to root it is greater value. So that property is satisfied, right? So now tree becomes 14, 5, 18, 2, 6, then 16, 20. Right? So what is the next inserted element? 3. So here step 8. What is the next inserted element? 3. So first of all we are comparing root node to inserted node. When compared to root node, this is less value. Obviously we can insert at left subtree. In left subtree what is the right left subtree, what is the root? 5. So when compared to 5, this is less value. So that's why we can insert at leftmost position. Again leftmost position, one more element is there. When compared to that element, that is greater value. So that's why we can insert rightmost position of the node 2. Right? So now tree becomes 14, 5, 18, 2, 6, 16, 20, 3. So when compared to root, this is less value. So that's why we can place it left subtree. For left subtree root, when 5 is root, when compared to root 5, this is less value. So that's why we can place it leftmost position. In leftmost position, one more element is there. So when compared to 2, that is greater value. So that's why we can place it at rightmost position of the node 2. This is also one subtree, right? So then what is the next inserted element? Minus 1. Minus 1. So first of all we are comparing 14 to minus 1. So when compared to 14, minus 1 is less value. Obviously we can place it at leftmost position, left subtree, right? So in left subtree what is the root node? So 5. So when compared to 5, this is less value. So that's why we can place it at left subtree. For this left subtree, what is the less value? What is the value? Root node 2. So when compared to 2, this is less value. So that's why we can place it at leftmost position of this subtree. So why? Because this is vacant position, right? So here 14, 5, 18, 2, 6, 16, 20, 3, minus 1. Right? So what is the next inserted element? 21. 21. First of all, we are comparing root node to inserted node. 14 is less value when compared to inserted element. So that's why we can place it at right subtree. So what is the root node for right subtree? 18. So 18, when compared to 18, 21 is greater element, right? So 21 is greater element. We can place it at rightmost position. So in right position, already element is there. So this is the root for next subtree. So that's why we are applying comparison procedure in between 20 to 21. So 20 to 21, when compared to 20, 21 is greater value. So that's why we can insert rightmost position of the 20. Right? Now 3 becomes 14, 5, 18, 2, 6, 16, 20, 21, minus 1, 3. Fine. So all the elements are successfully inserted. So here finally our tree becomes like this, right? So this tree does satisfies all the properties of binary tree as well as binary search tree, right? This is about how to construct a binary tree, right? So if you have any doubts regarding to this session, please post your doubts in comment section. Thank you.